सरप्राइज, हैप्पी बर्थडे तुली, तुम जियो हजारों साल, साल के दिन हो 50,000। तो मैडम जी, आपके 50 साल हो गए पूरे और आप 50,000 साल में पूरे 50 साल की हो चुकी हैं। अभी मैं, प्रीति, सोना और रश तो है 40s में, तो आप हमारी तुली दीदी बन चुकी है। तो हैप्पी बर्थडे वंस अगेन तुली दीदी, और जल्दी से मिलेंगे, हम सब इकट्ठे केक काटेंगे, 50 साल वो अपना बर्थडे बनाएंगे। सो हैप्पी बर्थडे वंस अगेन तुली, मिस यू यार।
Hey, happy birthday, dear. You're one person for whom I can say that aging like a fine wine stands true. You're always cheerful, smiling, and that's the quality that I like best about you. I love you, and I just want to say that stay like that always. I'm there for you whenever you need me. Happy birthday once again. Love you. Bye.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Tuli. Happy birthday to you. Tuli. I mean, we have celebrated so many birthdays together. I mean, मेरा आता था एग्ज़ाम्स के बाद और तेरा हमेशा बारिशों में, और चाहे पानी भरा होता था 7 सेक्टर की सड़कों पे, और वो जितना मर्ज़ी पानी हो उसमें से चलते हुए गंदे पानी में रिक्शा से तेरे घर पहुंचना। और मुझे नहीं याद कि हमने ऐसा कोई बर्थडे आया हो जहाँ हम नहीं पहुँचे। आई मीन 10th तक तो येस वी वर टुगेदर, एंड आफ्टर दैट ऑल्सो लाइक वी केप्ट दिस आई थिंक फॉर एवर। फिर एक टाइम ऐसा आया जब you got married, I got married, and you know we couldn't meet for years altogether. I mean, there was no contact, no wishing on birthdays, and then suddenly, you know, we all met together again, and the ball kept rolling. और आज तक, I mean, I feel really really lucky to have you in my life. मतलब I think you are just like a glue, you know, that keeps us all together. We all look forward कि कब तुली आएगी इंडिया, and you know we'll all meet. मतलब हम यहाँ रहकर भी उतना नहीं मिल पाते, but you know we always look forward to you. You know, when she would be here, we would actually spend some time together. तो इस साल भी पिछली हम तेरा इंतज़ार कर रहे थे, you know, maybe like 2018 we were together and we celebrated, or was it 16? I don't know. I mean, when we had celebrated your birthday at Taj Vivanta all together, all of us, we had gone for a staycation with our children. I mean, I think that was a best birthday. I mean, we celebrated. I mean, I don't know, but that feeling was really, really, you know, still, you know, it's so fresh in our thoughts. So now, as you've turned 50, I mean, you don't look like though, but it is, I would. So I'm looking at your recent pictures. Oh my god, oh my god. So we wish you all the love, happiness and comfort in the world. Let's make this year about cherishing the beautiful memories that we have shared and creating new ones filled with laughter and joy. Lots of love to you. Stay cheerful. Keep inspiring us. Keep giving us tips on how to keep young like yourself. Happy birthday once again. We love you so much.
Hi Tuli, happy birthday Tulika. It's your 50th birthday and it's a very very special day. It's a special day for me too. I'm celebrating this 50th with you in spirit while I'm not there with you. So what I want to really tell you is that, you know, we've shared so many beautiful years together. It is incredible to think about all the memories that we have made. You have brought so much of joy in my life, and I can't tell you how much you mean to me. I love you so much. Happy birthday again. I really hope I see you this year and we celebrate our 50th together. You've been a shining light in my life, and you've also brought me comfort whenever I needed it the most. And I really hope that I am also able to provide that comfort to you when you need it the most. Thank you so much for being you. Happy birthday. Enjoy your special day. I love you.
Hi Golu, wish you a very happy 50th birthday. Enjoy your special day with all your loved ones, and we are also waiting for you here. आ जाओ यार, बहुत याद आती है. इंडिया जब भी आओ आकर मिलो. Let us spend some time together. We really miss you a lot. Happy birthday once again. Bye bye.
Hey Tulika, happy birthday. You own a special place in our lives. मेरे लिए जैसे सीमा प्रीति हैं वैसे ही तुम हो, बहुत ही स्पेशल. इस बार तुम छुट्टियों में नहीं आई. आई एम रियली मिसिंग यू. प्लीज़ डू कम. दिस इज़ योर होम. हम तुम्हारे भी भैया भाभी हैं. स्टे हेयर विद अस. वी ऑल लव यू. हैप्पी बर्थडे वंस अगेन. लॉट्स ऑफ ब्लेसिंग्स एंड लव. खूब खुश रहो. बस यही दुआ है हमारी. God bless you.
Hey Tulika Di, a very happy 50th birthday to you. Hope you have a great time. We can't wait to see you in Cancun.
Hi Didi, congratulations on your 50th birthday. We are really excited to see you soon and can't wait to see the entire compilation of the video once she makes for us.
And we miss spending time with you in Fowler Park and all the fun stuff that we did. All the aloo puri parties we had. So looking forward to reminiscing about all that with you. But a very happy birthday to you. Have a great day. All the best wishes. And hope we made it special. Bye.
Happy birthday, bye!
हाय भाई जी, हैप्पी बर्थडे हम सबके तरफ से. आकाश, मैं, आपके भैया और आप लोग कैसे हो? हैप्पी बर्थडे की बड़ी एंजॉय कर रहे होंगे. एंजॉय करो. हमें भी फोटो भेज देना आप लोग की. हाय भाई जी, बाय.
Happy birthday.
हैप्पी.
Hello Masi, wish you a very happy 50th birthday. We hope you all are having fun, all of you are together, and we do miss being there, but soon I hope we make it there soon. And till then हमारी proxy है वहाँ पर. मम्मी पापा are there, and you all have lots and lots of fun, and this is a big moment for you and the family, so just cherish this as much as you can. Okay.
And do share the pictures. Hi Mercy! Many happy returns of the day. I hope you have a great day, super fun and बहुत शांति भरा year ahead. I'm so excited to see you soon. I love you so much.
Hi Masi, wish you a very happy birthday. Wishing you lots of health and happiness. Looking forward to celebrating your birthday in style. Happy birthday!
Hi Golu. Hello. Wish you a very happy birthday, beta. You are turning 50 this year. I 56. What I think is it's just a number. I still remember when you were born. Just as I remember when Shubhi and Manu were born. I was 6 years old when you came into my life. Masiji told me, Tuina, handle this baby with love and care, and then she will be with you whole of your life. You will have a special bond with her. And I feel that bond is there between both of us. You had been with me in all my bad times, good times. Traveling from US to India is not that easy, but your loving, caring nature and your bonding with me has always made you do that. Your responsible, authoritative, and a confident nature has always made you different from all of us. your fitness love, your love for disciplined life, and telling everyone how important health is shows your love and caring nature. Your emotional nature, taking on others' problems on your shoulders and solving it, telling मैं हूँ ना, just don't worry, makes you different. But Golu, sometimes I feel, that is what I feel, your overly emotional nature, your being less expressive about yourself, telling everyone that how much you love and care for all those who are close to you. It creates a confusion in understanding you. But I know you very, very well. I love you so much. Thanks a lot to you for being such important part in my life. I pray to God He should bestow all His blessings on you always. May God bless you with lots and lots of love, joy, happiness, peace, and most important, good health always. May you fulfill all your wishes in your bucket list soon. Happy birthday once again, my little bossy sis. God bless you.
Hi Golu. I hope that at the time you are listening to this video, we all find you in the best of health and spirit. First of all, I am very much thankful to dear Vanshika being so thoughtful to give us this opportunity of recording our beautiful memories during the journey we traveled with you on different times on this occasion of your 50th birthday. We wish you a very happy, very healthy and a joyful 50th birthday. We sincerely wish you always stay blessed. Well, you have traveled 50 years in your life, half a century. That means a lot. That accumulates a lot of memories. If I start, I can definitely sum up in 30 seconds by saying that I just ditto and reiterate whatever dear Tuhina must have said. Believe me, I am not aware about the contents what she must have said, but I really ditto those because most of the times I have seen you, I have experienced your memories and other things through the eyes and memories of Tuhina. But nevertheless, I'll definitely come out with my own observations also. And then secondly, I remember your different characteristic capability when Masi ji was very sick, May 2021. आप नहीं आ पाए थे. But the way you managed, the authority you used, the contacts you had, हम सब वहाँ थे. 24 hours ग्रुप बना के उसको मैनेज करना, उस पर बात करना, डॉक्टर्स से बात करना. I remember Kapil, that managing that donor oxygen. Golu, hats off to you. Sitting here, you were managing. You're a different person that time. Very bold, very audacious. So these are your characteristics. बाकी सब तो बहुत अच्छे बच्चे हो, caring हो, सबको प्यार करना, सबकी केयर करना है तो सभी ने बोला ही होगा. आई एम टेलिंग यू अबाउट फ्रॉम माई एक्सपीरियंसेस. नेचुरली गुड कर्मास रिटर्न. यू आर ब्लेस्ड विद ए वेरी गुड, वेरी अंडरस्टैंडिंग, नाइस हस्बैंड, 2 प्यारे बच्चे. इतने लंबे सफ़र में, 36 साल के सफ़र में हम सब लोगों ने कुछ अपने लव्ड वंस को खोया है. टू स्टार्ट विद योर पेरेंट्स, रिस्पेक्टेड मम्मी जी, मामा जी, मेरे फादर. बट एट द सेम टाइम हमारे साथ हमारी इस एक्सटेंडेड फैमिली में नए मेंबर्स जुड़े. बड़ा अच्छा लगता है. आई मीन टू स्टार्ट विथ, आई मीन ऑफ कोर्स आई एम नॉट टॉकिंग अबाउट छोटू, नन्नू एंड नेहा. ये तो जब मैं आया था आप लोग के फैमिली में तो अपने साथी थे, बट इस दौरान अपने साथ गुंजन, निमिषा, शुभी, मन्नू, विहान, इवान, निशांत, निहारिका, वंशिका, इनाया, ट्विशा, कायरा, विक्रम एंड एट द लास्ट बट नॉट द लीस्ट आदित्य. सब जुड़े. ईश्वर ने हमारी फैमिली को भरा पूरा किया, एक्सटेंड किया. ईश्वर से प्रार्थना है हम सब लोग ऐसे ही मिलजुल के मिलें. आई एम वेरी मच थैंकफुल टू नन्नू भाई, निमिषा, वंशिका, विहान, सौरभ to organize such an excellent get-together, family get-together on the beautiful occasion of your 50th birthday to Cancun, Mexico. Years to remember. बहुत मेहनत की आप लोगों ने. हमें बेहद खुशी है आपके इस सेलिब्रेशन का पार्ट बन के. सो एट द एंड ऑफ माई रिकॉर्डिंग, जो कि काफ़ी लंबी हो गई, सोचा था 1 मिनट में ख़त्म करूँगा. गोलू 50th बर्थडे की आपको बेटा बहुत बहुत शुभकामनाएं. ईश्वर आपको बहुत तरक्की दे, हिम्मत दे. रिमेन सक्सेसफुल इन योर लाइफ. वट एवर गोल्स यू आर परसुइंग. रिसेंटली आई रियलाइज दैट यू आर डूइंग वेरी गुड इन योगा, मेडिटेशंस में आपका बहुत इंटरेस्ट है. सदगुरु की बातें आपने मेरे से की. ईश्वर आपको अपने गोल की तरफ जाने की शक्ति दे. हम सब की तरफ से एक बार फिर से हैप्पी बर्थडे. हैव ए ब्लास्ट. थैंक यू. सो टू स्टार्ट विद माई एक्सपीरियंसेस, तो इना से मेरी शादी 90 में हुई. 90 से लेके अभी 24 हो गया, 34 years. And this is your 50th birthday. So I remember 1990, you were sweet 16, young बच्चा छोटा सा, 10th class में, 11th class में you must be there. I was introduced with the 4 siblings of Tuina. You were the eldest, very observant, very cute, very intelligent, always keen to know about all ceremonies, activities, whatever. And this much period we have traveled. 99, सौरभ भाई आए, got married. गुरु, मुझे 2 एक इंसिडेंसेस याद आते हैं. 2009 में आई केम टू US फॉर द फर्स्ट टाइम. मेरे 2-3 फ्रेंड्स मेरे साथ थे. हम लोग एक अपने ऑफिशियल विजिट पे थे एंड इट वॉज सो थॉटफुल ऑफ यू. नन्नू वॉज सपोज टू कम टू अस टू सी अस एट SFO and LA and then we went to Vegas. But वो पूरियाँ, वो आलू की सब्ज़ी, वो आपके खाने का डिब्बा, वो पैकिंग्स, I can't forget it.
Hello, Golu Didi. Wish you a very, very happy birthday. I know it's 50th birthday, but we're all getting young. Enjoy your time. I know we are all missing you. Lots of fun, but have a great year ahead.
Happy birthday, Golu Didi. Half century is done. Wishing you many more years of happiness and a lot of best wishes from all of us on your 50th birthday.
Happy birthday.
Happy birthday.